Hey guys, welcome. We're here at our new location, Highway 515 here in Jasper next to Walmart. Come on in, take a look. When you come in, this is the first thing you're going to see. We have 3 individual sales kiosks. We're going to start out with 2 service riders. As we grow, we're going to add a 3rd one. Right now, we're going to have myself and Lonnie Smith up front riding service. Don is in the back overlooking your vehicles being repaired and working with the technicians. Check this out. We have nice, comfortable leather chairs, a honor bar with coffee and snacks and drinks. We have individual bathrooms for men and women. A really nice place to sit, do your office work, away from all the busy, hectic work out front. Come on in, check it out. It's cool. All right, here at Roland Tire, this is our shop. We have 12 service bays. We got 10 lifts. We got the latest and greatest equipment. We got the new Hunter changers, tire changers and balancers, DSP 9700 wheel balancer, road force balancer. We got the brand new state-of-the-art nitrogen machines. We can put nitrogen air in your tires here. We have a new Hunter alignment machine in ground so we can get your low profile cars onto the racks without damaging the undercarriage. Got a heavy duty lift for your 3500, 4500 trucks. We're out here in the warehouse. Just want to show you guys around a little bit. Here at Roland Tire, we buy all our tires straight from the manufacturer, so therefore eliminating the middleman. So we can guarantee the lowest prices on all major brands. Remember, we also have our current location down on South Main Street. We're going to keep it open for you guys Monday through Friday, 8 to 5:30.